Back here in North Alabama, we are off to a beautiful start to the weekend. Meteorologist Rob Elvington joins us now with the latest on that weekend forecast.
Yeah, not too bad. Nearly perfect here for your Friday afternoon and heading into this weekend. Just a few fair weather clouds now popping up on our Muscle Shoals sky cam, and it's 79 degrees, but we're still seeing that low humidity for this time of the year. You'll also notice that it's still kind of hazy, kind of in between the clouds right now, and that's due to quite a bit of smoke from those western wildfires. So as I mentioned earlier, we also got a red sunrise on our Muscle Shoals sky cam earlier this morning. Again, all of that right there, that is smoke. So if you're heading out to, let's say, some of the high school football games this evening, right around sunset, just keep an eye on that sunset because we'll likely have a red one again here this evening and possibly again tomorrow morning. Again, look at all that smoke that's dropping in from out of our northwest. Everything that you see right here, that is western wildfire smoke. That down there, of course, right there is North Alabama. Those are all clouds off to our east, but everything you see right there, that is that big patch of smoke. And this was from last night, and that's what's been dropping in through the last 24 hours. But this afternoon, other than some of that hazy skies from some of the western wildfire smoke, we're tracking highs in the low 80s, low humidity, and much lighter wind stay than yesterday. So if you're trying to get some things done outside yesterday, a little too gusty with those north winds, much lighter all the way through this evening. And that, of course, is good news for the quarterbacks and the kickers here this evening for big game Friday night. We have 5 taking on Sylvania. Temperatures down to about 69 at halftime, upper 60s by the third and fourth quarter. Light winds, clear skies, and great conditions. Tomorrow morning, we're down into the upper 50s, so another cool start for your Saturday. And it's a great day to head out on the water. A little bit warmer. I know some folks are probably thinking it's a little on the cool side to be on the water today. But 85 degrees at Lake Gunnersville, some south winds at about 4 miles per hour for your Saturday afternoon. And Lake Wheeler, we're expecting slightly warmer conditions, closer to the upper 80s for your Saturday afternoon. South winds at about 6 miles per hour. Don't forget the sunscreen. It may be September, but you can still burn pretty quickly with these sunny skies this weekend. 4 o'clock this afternoon, just some fair weather clouds popping up. Clear skies all the way through the end of the football games this evening. Just a few fair weather clouds spilling in from out of the northwest into your Saturday afternoon. Saturday evening, clear skies, great conditions. So if you're trying to get that cookout in tomorrow evening, no big issues at all. This is something we'll be watching closely next week. You'll notice that it's still well off to the south, closer to the Yucatan Peninsula. This is the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, kind of the Bay of Campeche right here. And we could be tracking kind of a disorganized tropical system or even a named storm system by early next week. This is Sunday, 12 o'clock this weekend, and just all of that tropical heavy rainfall moving into the Texas coast and possibly a named storm system around Monday afternoon right by Houston. Heavy rainfall impacting the Texas coast. Unfortunately, also impacting Louisiana as they're still recovering from Ida. And then by Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday, a cold front could pick up the remnants of this and all that tropical moisture and kind of squeeze that out over top of North Alabama. This is right around Thursday afternoon. A lot can change between now and then, something we're monitoring closely. Rainfall forecast, this goes all the way through Thursday, about a half an inch to an inch of rainfall by next Thursday. A lot of that coming with that system. And we zoom out and look at that region-wide view of the precipitation. Yellows on the map, that's 8 to 10 inches of rainfall impacting areas near Houston and into Louisiana. So that would be a big issue for all of those areas. And of course, we get what's left of it. 7-day forecast back up to the upper 80s for the weekend. Still some decent humidity, still low for this time of the year all the way through Sunday. And then 90 by Monday. And then again, Wednesday and Thursday. That's that time frame that we're watching with the potential for some tropical moisture to move back into North Alabama.
Thanks, Rob.